This is a Sansui AU-101 amp. It's coming for repair. One of the channels is sort of crackling and popping, making lots of horrible static noises. So I took the top off before I powered it up just to make sure there's nothing inside it that's shorting out or anything. So we've got a very simple amplifier board. Then along the top we've got a tone control board, mains transformer. So let's look at it on the scope. So this is hooked up to my signal generator. We're looking at a 1 kHz signal. The upper trace is the good channel, the lower trace is the bad channel, and as you can see the lower trace is jumping around rather violently. If I turn the signal generator off, so that's the signal generator off, and you can see the lower trace. Remember the scope's looking at the output speaker terminals. One of the things to note with this is that the static is affected by the volume control setting. If I turn the volume up, it's louder. Right, to eliminate whether the fault with this is actually on the in the power amp section here or off this in the preamp, I've pulled up this wire here, which is the preamp output into the main amplifier. So now if I look at the output of the preamp, you can see, which is that now we're on the top trace of the faulty channel on this one, hooked up to a signal generator. You can see it's just jumping about all over the place. But the lower trace on the scope is the output of the actual amplifier, and you can see that's perfectly fine. Okay, the fault with this turned out to be a transistor under these pads here. There was a transistor under the board here, which was a tiny little signal transistor, but this transistor's on the sort of list of problem transistors. It causes static noises and pops and stuff when it's faulty. So I changed the similar corresponding transistor, which is there at the same time, because that one's probably going to go the same way. So if we now look at the scope, so you can now see the amplifier is behaving itself. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Hope you found it useful. There are a couple of other issues with this amp, but considering its age, it's hardly surprising, but they were fairly trivial to fix, like a broken headphone jack. So please subscribe to my channel to be alerted to any new videos that I upload. Thank you.